Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Citroen Berlingo 2020 van. Basically, customer stay, engine management light came. After that, stop the van. It's not start anymore. However, after that, he said he saw the AdBlue sign on. But however, I asked him any countdown mileage for the AdBlue. He said no, just light came. Then after that, he stopped for a coffee. Then after that, this van couldn't start. Then they bring it to me. We'll have a look what's going on inside. Ignition on, radio working, switch off the radio, and once I do the ignition, engine economy mode activated. Also ignition on. I'm going to start the car. Yeah, nothing happened. You can see the left hand side AdBlue sign flashing, spanner sign on, and also ignition on. Now I'll try to close the window. See, it's not do anything. Basically electrical all disable. I'm not sure what's going on. Never cross come like this problem, because I done many AdBlue problem, DPF problem, but however this is the first time I'll so like this vehicle. However, first of all, I check the AdBlue tank. It's already AdBlue there. Then my first mission, how am I going to start this car? Yeah, I'm going to plug in my computer and come back to you. I'm going to take a high speed scan. Right, okay, got the report. This is for the audio section 2, navigator 2, no worries. This one, what is this? Vacuum, servo, brake. Anyway, no worries. This is the problem. I'm a bit worried. Two faulty code for the engine control module. You know the faulty codes, right? Okay, I'm going to exit from here and try to clear. We'll see what happened. Looks like to, yes, it's clear up. Right, okay, yeah, it's clear up. And what I'm going to do now, still you can see the AdBlue sign blinking. I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. Now still no any good. Right, okay, no worries. Then I'm going to the engine control module. Right, special function, service action, work on a emission. Right, it's terminate. I don't know why. Yeah, see the whole electric gone. I feeling something not right with the battery. First of all, I'm going to check the battery condition. So I'll check the battery. I couldn't find anything, but however, I'm going to ignition off and ignition on, and we'll try again. Yeah, see the this is the problem. All system suddenly going off. Fail. Right, okay, that one not giving any support. Right, okay, anyway, I'm not too much worried for the deNOx system. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to the special function. I'm going to try plan B now. Right, In here we need to find out anything for the AdBlue. Right, here we are. This is the function I'm looking. We'll see. No, I'm trying to the replacing fifth injector, urea injector. Switch off the ignition. Press OK. Ignition on. Press OK. Start the engine. We'll see. Is it possible to start the engine? Ah, here we are. Bingo. Right. Okay. Process has failed, but however the old warning light disappeared, right? And also before I try the off parking brake, yeah, it wasn't work before, now it's working, right? Yeah, and we'll see what happened to the glass. Yeah, it's doing the job, right? Okay, at the moment I'm success for the my first step. I need to get back to normal the car. At the moment it's starting, no any faulty codes, right? Okay, no worries. Now we have to find out what's going on here, because it shouldn't do like this way. And there is no any faulty code for the engine management, right? Okay, now I have to find out what's going on for the deNOx system. Very strange, this is the first time I see like this problem. Anyway, never mind, we'll see. Vehicle has a tummy echo, cancer. See you soon. Hi, welcome back. Now we need to find out what's happened, what's causing for this vehicle cut off. Basically not cut off the indicate engine management, then after once he stopped he couldn't restart, even he don't have a countdown mileage. However, as a first step we recover the car here, and we restart the van. Now we need to find out what's the cause for the P20EE, basically deNOx system efficient. It could be soft air problem, it could be some air from the AdBlue tank to AdBlue injector, could be clog up injector. I'm not sure at the moment where it's going on. However, something not right somewhere. That's why it could be causing the stop the van. I'm not 100% sure. We never experience like this problem. Normally, if it's something problem for the emission, most time after the engine management light, vehicle give the indication, okay, certain miles, after that your vehicle not starting, basically 200, 400, whatever mileage, then after that it's count down. Then once it's complete, you are not able to start without computer or without computer support. However, this van doesn't give any indication for the what's the causing for the couldn't start. But once it happened, I can see the AdBlue sign blinking. Then I'm assuming it's something related to the AdBlue, but however, it's going against to system. Yeah, we'll see. First of all, I'm going to find out any leaking underneath for the AdBlue. If it not, I'm going to find out. However, I'm going to start from the exhaust here in the front. That's an easy way to read there. Already I jack up the car. Right. I can see here. I don't know. Can you see this one? Can you see? See, it's crystallizing. See, you can see. I don't want to go more deeper. I can find something here. However, some cars has a one problem. Some cars has a here, there, everywhere. But as a first step, I noticed something from the injector. However, I'm going underneath and have a look what's going on around injector area. I can see now all around the injector area lot of crystallizing. I feeling that injector could be damaged, but however I am going to remove the injector and I'll come back to you. And visually I can't see underneath any leaking, all around underneath nice and clear, because if it leak I can see like a crystallizing underneath the tank. I couldn't identify any crystallizing underneath, so I'm happy with the other thing. Yeah, we already removed the injector. You can see all around crystallizing. See, all around crystallizing. I feeling could be internal damage, and also this side you can see all crystallizing. See, this is the new injector. Have a look, nice and clean. But sometime once I saw like this problem, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the my chemical cleaning inside. You can see it's like a tar, very hard, very solid. Mm. If I see like this one, I using my chemical clean inside and outside, reinstall and ask to use the car like that couple of weeks, then he get the answer. If it's not good, we are going to replace the new one. However, unfortunately this van I couldn't do that day because they came very far. Because of that I don't want to ask them to clean it, this one install and try, because if it's something going wrong they have to come nearly 3 hours for me. Because of that I'm going to install new injector and the relearn the values, hand over the car. Hopefully it will okay. I have a big doubt at the moment, whatever I'm not talk with confidence, because of the this onboard computer didn't show any countdown mileage. That's why still my mind say could be software, could be software, could be software. But if I couldn't identify this problem, I'm not going to do any repair. Then I'm going to do the software update as a first step. But however, I saw this one AdBlue crystallizing and the build up the in the front area. Because of that, I'm going to replace this one and I'm going to reset the old values and the car customer to like that. I'm not going to update this video as soon as. I'm going to wait another couple of weeks and have a look if he come back or not. If he not come back, I will upload this video. If I upload this video, I know I'm 100% success. So if you have any question, comments, any experience, comment below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you want to join with us, our WhatsApp group, link below. You can click that link and you can join with us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.